Hello everyone, welcome to Baig Math Academy. Today I'm gonna teach you about the secant theorem. So what is a secant? A secant is a line that touches a circle at 2 points. So these are two secants and they intersect at 1 point. So in the secant theorem, it says that part times whole is equal to part times whole. So it would be x times x plus y is equal to a times a plus b. So here are a few problems. So 2x, which is the part, 2x times the whole thing, 2x plus 12 is equal to 4, and the whole thing, 4 plus 23. So now I'm going to distribute these. So it would be 4x squared, multiply these two numbers, it would be 24x is equal to, and 4 plus 23 is 27. 27 times 4 is 108. And since this is a quadratic equation, I'm going to put the negative 108 on this side, so it would be equal to 0. So 4x plus 2, 4x squared plus 24x minus 108 is equal to 0. And so these numbers, 424 and negative 108, are all divisible by 4. So I can simplify that to x squared plus 6x minus 27 is equal to 0. And now to factor this, so it would be negative 27. I'm going to find the factors of negative 27, which are negative 3 and 9. So x minus 3, x plus 9 is equal to 0. So how did I get to this factored form from this? So x minus 3 and x plus 9 are binomials. So I can use the FOIL method. So the FOIL method is the first two numbers. So here would be x and x. That would be x squared plus the outside would be x times 9, would be 9 times x. And then the inside would be negative 3x. So that would be minus 3x. And then the last would be negative 3 times 9. That's minus 27 is equal to 0. So now it would be x squared. 9 minus 3 is 6x. Minus 27 is equal to 0. So that's how I got to this. So now it would be back to x minus 3, x plus 9 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to negative 9. But you can't use a negative for a length. So negative 9 is not x, so x would be 3. And to verify that, I would just plug in 3 as x. So 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 plus 12 is equal to 4 times 4 plus 23. So this is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. And then 6 times 12 is 72 is equal to, this is 108, equal to 108. 108 is 108. So that's correct. So the answer would be x is equal to 3. So here's another problem. So I'm going to use the same thing here. It would be 3 times 3 plus 5 is equal to 4 times 4 plus x. And 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. And then 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times x is 4x. 9 plus 15 is 24 is equal to 16 plus 4x. And then you subtract 16 on both sides. So that would be 8 equals to 4x. So x will be 2. And to verify that, I'll plug 2 in the x value, in the x space. Is equal to 3 times 3 plus 5 is equal to 4 times 4 plus 2. So this would be 24 is equal to 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8. 24 is equal to 24. So that's correct. So x is 2. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped.